In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Bedwars 1v1 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up a 1v1 lobby. You will be able to duel your friends, and you will have a server privately for you and them. So all that you have to do is join Bedwars, and in here, instead of going over to the standard modes, under Classic, where they have squads, doubles, solos, and so on, you actually have to go into Creative. So under Creative, you will be able to find plenty of different modes and maps that you can join. You will be able to have your friends join you on a map that you create. So in here, instead of browsing through the home or the live games, go over to browse maps. Now, under here, you can search for 1v1 and you will find plenty of results. You don't have to browse through all of the pages. Usually this most popular one here by dialing will work, so you don't have to worry. All that you have to do here is create a game in this specific mode and you will load into the server by yourself. From here, just follow along. But once you have created the 1v1 server, all that you have to do now is copy this join code. You can press escape at any time and invite your friends to join. If you invite them, they will be able to load into the same lobby as you that you have just created, and you will be able to separate yourselves into the orange bed and the blue bed. So evenly split the teams and you will be able to play. So one of you choose blue, the other one choose orange. I'm gonna pretend that I'm going to be someone joining this lobby, so essentially it would look like this. They would go over to the standard Bedwars lobby, and once they load in, they just have to click on play, choose the option to go into creative, and then join using the room code that you sent to them. Now obviously I will not be able to demonstrate this because I was the host and I left, but this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Bedwars 1v1 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.